don't go on, we need to fix up this place.
Yeah.
Right, so.
Yeah, so we can do fence, whatever we feel like doing for dinner.
Yeah,
nice.
we don't know where I got it, but we are going to eat something. We are going to prepare something, man. We are going to prepare something in a leaf, some food in a leaf to cook. Meantime, we are deal with the fence, you know. Clean it out, clean it out. And man, we just put stick, bamboo, so we can poke it up.
That fence has lasted a long time though, because I think this is the same fence since I was here in 2010.
Yeah, man. But at the little bridge or something, I don't know what you ask about it broke down.
Yeah.
But me and man, we have more than one hammer, so we can poke it up one day or so. Yeah, what if we, man?
Wicked.
What if we are work on it, some I chop out bamboo, some I fix up, man. It's not supposed to take 1-2 days.
No.
1 day this up.
We got it.
Yeah, man. 1 day this, man.
Put that chicken over. I want to put that up on people.
Oh, fuck it. Come on, 5 stick, Ratty. Calm down.
Every time it gets up now, it makes it back, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it. I don't want no more of these, you know?
No.
I'm putting wire, sir. You can't depend this every time, man. It's crazy.
Yeah. Well, the bamboo looks cool though.
They look good, but I can't do this.
Yeah.
Too much work. When if you go do something?
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah, man, that's a work, brother.
Yeah. So you're gonna clear down this whole part then? Take everything down and replace?
Man, no, I can't do that.
Just the
part there.
Just the part that's broke up.
Yeah. Can't create work for myself, you know. Work no one come on for me.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah, Junior supervising. Koopy, where did you get these logs from?
Way up in a bush.
What kind of tree is it?
No,
Hog meat.
Good, nice and straight too?
Yeah.
Good and deep.
2.5 feet, but maybe 2 feet.
2 foot. Nice.
But it will become more in the center there. Up there. Wow. Cool. Yeah. When you near the bamboo then, go around near the outside.
And outside the bamboo in here.
And then I'm going to nail back, suppose we look out this. I'm going to try it back out then, that's how it's sharp. Put it back like that, take it back here, put it back. Put it right back. I'm going to try it the other way around there. The other way around there, brother.
Ah, there you go.
Put that in here.
But when you go pound the bamboo, you go knock
You
out
want,
back,
yeah, you need
know.
something for him to go on the outside. Yeah.
No, near, on trees near. I have no big long nail.
Go on and see how them can work.
Are you picking at your mother if you have no longer nail?
Hey, Koopy, when you're working construction, what kind of work do you do?
I don't know construction.
What you used to?
No, me stop. You cannot manage it on crazy.
But when you were working, what kind of work did you do?
You can't matter bucket. You cannot try it again. Them are you would. Yeah.
Yes, madam.
One more.
Split? The wood split?
No,
Which one?
no, they would not split.
Wood it here.
Catch.
It's a little bit sharp.
Yes, look at some down sir.
Wow.
Some more.
Wow. I stick?
Mama. You chop out some fine stick like a tree, alright? Don't mess up.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, I make. Yeah, I make that. Yeah, I make your old.
Too skinny?
Too fat. You may mash it there. Let me know mash it there. You can't play on this. It's too sharp.
I want to go better.
Only as long as
Come on. And the straightness we are dealing with. The one straight, you know.
You are in them and I mass without them man. You can't straight mass with them man.
That's alright.
So we put you there nice, you know.
You don't like the curve, eh?
Yeah.
I use it.
One big one right there.
Yeah.
Right there,
Yeah.
Like a four.
Yeah.
And nearly in this.
Mm-hmm.
Why try and pull? Why try and pull the cutter?
That's what you want it?
You just want to put on the one that will mash up. Put nails on the one there. We'll get cheese more, we put on the end of it. And call it a day.
Call it a day.
Yes, sir.
Pretty early.
Yeah, man, we have to come back, but we have to look about something to eat. Right?
Yeah.
Now I have to do this again.
We get it all framed up, breakfast, then we get the bamboo.
Spawning down in the middle of the bamboo.
Happy birthday.
What is?
No, could you change it all on down here?
I said, in there, I just see that.
Oh.
Nothing on a change. I didn't say that about. Okay, like this. I'm not going to see one. I'm going to check it out now. Put it there now. I'm going to see what I want. Put it back out there, dry out. Back outside, dry out.
Someone want this up.
Push it up more. Push it up more. Yeah. Push it up more. I'll go right that piece of down. Yeah.
Good?
You can't hear the cookie. Push it on the stick, not nothing. Put it on the cookie, make it on it.
Right.
I put on it. Another cookie I will cook it. Put it there. Let me tell you the cookie.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah. Go and do your thing. Go on. Go on do your do. Huh? Yeah, no. Put up with it. Put up with it.
Turn this shit. Oh.
Make this stick put right like how me tell you. If you put out a bucket this and that.
Alright, go on.
One piece we go just like that. We go down after.
I'm done with the business.
We don't come over here. And straight ahead like this.
Oh, like that.
Get go along. Go along with it. Tell me when it buck and stick up there.
It buck, man.
Go up. Are they straight? Me don't want to be dead. I just want to be straight. So.
Where dog come from?
Mark this.
Right now, man.
See my child.
Oh, look.
Look down the job.
Are they tip bounce for me?
Yeah, man, go on.
Go on, cookie.
Or they see how they move, hold it.
When I tell them to come out that way.
Come boy.
So when I
Nah, the boy there doing the boy hold post, man.
No, we don't want you to go in here.
Oh, you're near.
Put stick like. When you want to put hole.
Bam.
Go on. I'm a bit temporary now. I'm just trying to go. Things here like a sharp break, you know. Put it outside, man. Outside. Come down, level. Take your time. Wait. Wait, no, I don't want to bust you that pencil, no, because... My God. Let me get there. Oh, let me get there. Yo, I don't want it that way, man. Watch it. We put it up back, man. Come now. Mark it right there, sir. Mark it there.
Mark it right there.
No.
Get the
Let
nail.
the nail and mark it then.
Right here.
Yeah, both of them place. Go on, give me chop it out.
Right on green place, where I see green place.
That's it. This is nice. Right there, sir.
Right.
Right there's that thing cut with that. Thing fit with there. Give me nail.
Yeah. Come in, Lion.
Give me the big nail then, man.
I big one, there, man.
Long man and fierce.
Don't give grandpa the nail.
Don't give me nail, man. Hold me up.
Yeah, man.
See your man back here there.
Drink tea from man, boy. The last one is nail. Yeah, we're supposed to make stress. Come, give me nail.
Nail.
Come down, Lion.
And the stress is for the last one. You know you're good enough.
Yes, sir.
Know that. Come on, put up the bamboo and look at it. Put up the bamboo.
Okay, that's it?
You know.
Okay, so.
You know, Baba.
Almost right, don't know, brother.
And also,
Yeah, this part.